What's up, my people? It's your boy UK, and today we are exploring one of Nigerian's finest hotels here in Lagos, Ojodu Berger. I heard so much about this place, and that's why I'm here to check if this place is really worth the hype. Follow me, let's check this place out. Let's go. Welcome to Fourgate Hotel and Suite. As you can see, we have the parking space. Check out how spacious this place is. If you're looking for a place to relax and cool off, this is just the perfect place for you. It is amazing. Let's go inside to check more. It's amazing.
Welcome to Fourgate Hotel Located.
Hello. How are you doing today?
Good.
As work,
It's perfectly.
you can see how warm and welcoming they are. Look at the receptionist. Very charming looking guy. You're sure of getting the best customer service when you come here to chill. Follow me, let's show you more. You will like it. Amazing. Wow. Hello. You can see this is the lounge. It's beautiful. You can see very cozy and so chilling.
Now this is the restaurant. As you can see, it is very spacious. You can come in here with your friends and family. They serve nice delicacies for you to enjoy. For those of you that want to keep fit, there's a gym for you to work out. And also, they have a swimming pool. Whether you're there to take a swim or just sit by the poolside, this place is just perfect for you to cool off and relax.
Now, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Come on, let's check out the rooms. Wow, this is nice. You can see. This feels like heaven, man. There. As you can see, this bed is nice. Look at the furniture. So giving. The furniture is giving. I won't lie to you. This room is just perfect. You have your wardrobe to you. This wardrobe can contain so many of your luggages, and your clothes. This is the workspace. Look at your workspace. You have your workspace to yourself. When you're a person that works remotely from home, this is the place for you to be. You have this workspace all to yourself. Wow. As you can see, this is the sitting room. Very spacious and sweet. You can relax and do whatever you want to do. You have a fridge for you to chill your drinks. The AC is chilling, very cold. Everything is on point here. I won't lie to you. Very amazing.
Now this is the restroom where you can take your bath and ease yourself. Well, so far we've been able to check around the hotel, and I must tell you this place is not much of a luxury, but it has a standard. If you are in the mainland, Ojodu Bega precisely, and you're on a budget, this place is okay for you to try out. Tell us what you feel about this place in the comment section. Also, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Peace out and see you on the next one. God bless you.